welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been on for a little while, haven't been quite as regular on my YouTube channel, but I've had my best friend over from Canada and her daughter Ria, so we've just been out and about having fun, doing bits and pieces and catching up and mainly eating. For those of you that follow me, I am still wearing my arm brace. I've just ask Chris to take it off for the moment because it's really hurting my arm, so terribly swollen at the moment, and I can take it off for sort of 5-10 minutes in the day for a shower. But I've already had my shower today, but I've just asked him just to keep it off for a minute while I do this particular haul, which is going to be a home bargains haul. So I'll move that and I'll start to show you what I've got. So this is a little hand cream and an emery board, and it's gin and tonic hand cream. And it's got the green little emery board to go with the whole colour scheme. There you go. I've bought this because for Christmas this year I'm doing lots of themed hampers. This is going to go into the one that's themed on gin. Can't say who for, but it's themed on gin. I also picked up these are the Wickford & Co. Vanilla Sugar Cookies Scented Tea Lights. They burn up to 4 hours, so I picked up those. And I got those because I also picked up this. This was $1.99 and I just think it's so pretty. It's a little warmer, you know, to put your wax melts in, or you can put oils in it, and it's got the little bit in the back there for the tea light. So picked up that. I thought that's really pretty. Everywhere I'm going I'm stocking up on paracetamol, so there's 2 packs of paracetamol here. Picked up one of these because the one that I've got upstairs has actually run out, so I needed a new one, and this is the Febreze. It says here formerly Ambipure, so I know that's what they were called before, and this is the Gold Orchid scent, and it lasts for 90 days, so there we go. Picked up that one. I picked up these are, oh my goodness, these are amazing. They smell beautiful. It's by the Dead Sea collection, and it's coconut, moisturizes and nourishes bath salts, 100% natural Dead Sea bath salts with coconut oil, and oh my goodness, don't they smell amazing. I mean, there's, how much is in here? You've got 34 ounces here, and it smells amazing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to open it myself to smell it. I got my friend to open it for me. No, I'm not going to be able to, and obviously I can't bath at the moment either, but what I thought I would do is get Chris to run me a nice bowl of hot water, put some of these crystals in and have a bit of a foot soak, just so that I can appreciate the smell and soften my feet. But yeah, that's amazing. Okay, then I picked up this, and it's Country's Market. And then on the top it's got 719 Walnut Avenue, there on the top. There's 14 ounces in here, and it does smell of all the different fruits that you can see on here, at the front here. It smells beautiful. I might be able to get that lid off. Let's have a go. Yeah. And then inside it's got the 3 wicks. So $1.99. Oh my gosh, the smell. It smells like a fruit salad. It's flipping beautiful, honestly. It's lovely. These Jaffa cakes, 24 cakes in here. Just 2 more things. I picked up these. These are by Nature Valley, and they're the nut butter peanut chocolate cup biscuits. This is what they look like. Don't they look lovely? Really scrummy. And then last but not least, I picked up a makeup palette. This is by Max Moore. That's what the box looks like. So you can see all the different colours in there. That's what the palette looks like. The colours are stunning, honestly. So pretty. Right, are you ready? And I'll show you the colours. How beautiful are they? Look at them. Oh, I don't think I'm focused. There we go. I think I'm focused. Am I focused? Come on, camera. How beautiful are those colours? so pretty. And this, guys, was £1.99. Can you imagine? £1.99. And they had this palette, this size, this many colours in 4 different colourways. I'll just very quickly show you some of the colours on my finger. So I'll just sort of go that one, that one, that one, that one, and let's go that one. So I'm just going to show you just some of the colours from the palette so that you can see how pigmented they are. Yeah, really pleased with that. And that's everything that I've got. So £1.99 for the palette, as I say. I think it was £2.49 for this. £1.99 for the candle, 29p each for the tablets, headache tablets, 79p for the tea lights, 1.99 for the bath salts, 99p for the hand cream and emery board, 1.99 for the wax melt warmer, 1.49 for the biscuits, and 79p for these. I hope you've enjoyed my home bargains. So if you have, then please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you subscribed, and I'll talk to you all in my next one. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.